Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today is presentation of group 9. So, which is our group? Before that, I will to introduce the group members in our group. So, first, let me introduce myself. My name is Wita Izatul Jannah. In here, I want to explain to you about definition of the conditional sentence and also the conditional sentence zero. Next, my friend will to introduce herself.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Ezanola Azura. In this opportunity, I will explain to you about conditional sentence 1 and 2. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Arlian Riani Putri. I will to give you the explanation about conditional sentence type 3 and conclusion.
Well, I think just that introduce from group member.
Well, without wasting the time, let me begin.
And Wita Izatul Jannah. So, our topic is about conditional sentence. Well, first, what is conditional sentence? A conditional sentence is a sentence in English that is used to express wishes, hopes, assumptions, or plans that may or may not come true. Conditional sentence aim to presuppose something that has happened or will happen. The conditional sentence consists of two parts. First, main clause, which will be the main sentence. So, main clause is the main sentence that can stand on its own. And the second, if clause, which will be conditional statement. In here, I think if clause serves to express a conditional or parable. If clause is used for conditions that are contrary to reality that have occurred today or in the past. Next, there are four types of conditional sentence. First, conditional sentence type 0, and the second, conditional sentence type 2, and the third, conditional sentence type 3. At the end, 4, conditional sentence type 4. In here, I want to give you the explanation about conditional sentence type 0. Well, conditional sentence type 0. This type 0 conditional sentence is used to truths, describe certain facts or general. This type is usually referred to as zero conditional sentence. This type of sentence is used when the result of or consequences of a condition are materialized, explaining general truth and scientific facts. And then, this is the formula conditional type 0. If plus infinitive verb 1 and infinitive verb 1. If clause. If clause, use simple present tense. And we must use the formula subject plus verb 1. And then main clause, we use simple present tense. The formula is subject plus verb 1. Example, if you heat water, it boils. And any other example, if you freeze water, it becomes ice. Both of these examples are describe the truth and scientific facts. Well, I think just this my explanation about definition and the conditional sentence type 0. Next other members group will to give you the next explanations.
Next, conditional type 1. Conditionals type 1 are used to describe situations that may or are supposed to occur in the future and have a high probability of actually happening. This can happen because there are realistic conditions that make sense for the possibility to occur. Therefore, the sentence form of this conditional sentence type 1 has the form of a simple future sentence or the sentence that will come. The formula conditional type 1. If plus infinitive verb 1, will plus infinitive verb 1. If clause, simple present tense, subject plus verb 1. Main clause, simple future tense, subject plus will plus verb 1. Example, if you study, you will pass the exam. First, if you study, you will pass the exam. Second, I will come to your party if you invite me. Second, I will come to your party if you invite me. Next, conditional sentence type 2. Conditional type 2 are used for conditional sentences that are highly unlikely, describe an unrealistic situation. For example, imagining something that is impossible or wishful thinking. The formula conditional type 2. If plus verb 2, would plus verb 1. If clause, simple past tense, subject plus verb 2. Main clause, past future tense, subject plus would plus verb 1. For example, if I had enough time, I will go swimming. I wouldn't stay in this job if I had another option. I would rest right now if I were you. Alright, next, note. The thing to note is the use of were. You might ask, I instead of using was. Huh? No, in the conditional type 2, all subject, whether singular or plural, I'll use were. So, was is not used at all. Okay, thank you.
Okay, next conditional sentence type 3. Type 3 conditional sentences are used to describe a past situation that did not happen and to imagine the outcome of that situation. So we imagine past situation that did not happen and we wish. This type expresses the opposite of the fact's face. So if the fact is that it doesn't happen, but we imagine that it happened that way, it is the opposite. This type of sentence is usually used to express regret. Suppose you did something in the past and you keep imagining it and you regret it. Then you can use conditional sentence type 3. The type 3 conditional sentence formula is if clause use the past perfect tense. The formula is subject plus had plus verb 3. While the main clause uses the past future perfect tense, the formula is subject plus would plus verb 3. So it can be concluded that if the clause is had plus verb 3, while the main clause is would plus have plus verb 3. So if clause and main clause are the same using verb 3. But the difference is if clause had plus verb 3, while the main clause would plus have plus verb 3. Let's just go to the example. The first example, if clause is placed at the beginning of the sentence, so it requires a comma connector. If you had studied seriously, you would have won the Science Olympiad. If clause uses the past perfect tense, main clause using the past future perfect tense. While the second example, the main clause is placed at the beginning of the sentence, so there is no need for a comma connector. We would not have gotten accident if John had driven car carefully. Main clause the tenses is past future perfect tense, whereas if clause uses the past perfect tense. The conclusion is from a conditional sentence. Conditional sentence type 0. This type 0 conditional sentence is used to describe certain facts or general truths. Conditional sentence type 1. Conditional type 1 is used to describe
situations that may or are assumed to occur in the future and have a high probability of actually happening. Conditional sentence type 2. Type 2 is used for conditional sentences that are very unlikely to happen, describing an unrealistic situation. For example, imagining something that is impossible or wishful thinking. Conditional sentence type 3. Type 3 conditional sentences are used to describe a past situation that did not happen and imagine the outcome of that situation. This type expresses the opposite of the fixed phase. This type of sentence is usually used to express a regret.
Okay, I think that's enough explanation from our group. The end of the word, I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning.